Hello my friends, and welcome to MB Shoedoc Review Series, where we will explore the world of quality shoes for men. We will cover general shoe care and knowledge, review the brands you love, and introduce you to brands that you've never heard of. So get yourself ready, and let's dive right into today's unboxing video. Alright my friends, got another unboxing for you today. This is my second pair of shoes from Peter Hunt. Here you can see it's the Monet. That's the model, is the Monet. So this is going to be a boot. This is a Chelsea boot. See, they got my name on it there, which is a nice little touch. And if you hadn't seen, this is my second pair of shoes from them. This was the first pair I got, which is a very cool patina, this kind of spectator wingtip patina. For today's shoes, we went with something not quite as wild as that. So let's take a look here. This is a really cool packaging that they do here. Artisanal techniques through the process. Cool, it's got the website on there. I really like their packaging. I think that's a pretty cool little touch with like the wax seal. Something a little different. I haven't seen anyone else do that. Includes a little shoehorn there. Little foam divider. And I always love to see individual shoe bags. That is always a good thing. But let's take a look here. Oh, very, very cool. This is their Fire Museum patina, and it is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Chelsea boot. Quite stunning. Let's get the other one out here. Shoe bags are, this is more of a, almost like a canvasy type feel to it. More of a canvas material. Yeah, so look at these really stunning boots. Love this patina. So, you know, it looks like a yellow base to the tone, but then there's like some splotches of a darker brown, but also some splotches of more of a red color. So yeah, really unique patina having the reds and the browns. Love the toe burnish, the burnishing around the edges here. Quite beautiful. Let's check out the construction here. So here we are, Peter Hunt shoes. This is a Goodyear welted. I like this combination sole where it's got the little studded rubber inserts here with a leather sole. It keeps it nice and thin, so it looks like a regular leather sole, keeps it sharp looking, but this is going to be better traction and better wear. It's brass nails in the heel, just a slight little taper to the waist there, but again, an open channel, Goodyear welted, nice stitch density on the welt there too. Taking a look at the uppers, you know, get this this single row of stitching around the edge, and it looks pretty good. Looks clean. Not really seeing any kind of a defect there. It does have the pull tab on the heel, which is nice. Let's take a look inside. You can see there, Peter Hunt. It's got a suede heel on the inside. And let's pull this out. Yeah, and the insole goes all the way to the toe. So full insole. Sometimes there's kind of a thicker half insole It doesn't carry all the way to the toe. These do, which I think is a little bit nicer look. I mean, you're not really going to spend a lot of time looking inside the shoe, but I do prefer having that full insole there. So I'll tell you what, we're going to get these. These are nicely shined out of the box. I wouldn't hesitate to wear this as is at all. But you know how I like to do things. I'm going to put a little extra shine on the toes here for this thing. But they definitely look like they've had a little bit of polish added to them. But yeah, let's add just a little bit more. Alright, get my Sapphire Mirror Gloss. And I'm just going to use my fingertips here just to apply a little bit. So we'll add a few layers like this just by hand. And then we'll finish it off with the cloth. Really like this chiseled last shape. So we'll get a few layers like that by hand. And I believe this is the same toe shape as my other shoe. It's got that nice little kind of taper down right here. So yeah, I believe those are both on the same last. It's a good true to size fit for me. It's a comfortable fit, and again, it really looks very sharp. Got a few layers applied just with my fingertips. Now I'll introduce a cloth. So this is just cut up t-shirt is what I use. You just give it a little twist around. And then a little water dispenser. I've got about, I don't know, 2/3 water, maybe 1/3 just rubbing alcohol in there. That's my mix. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of the mirror gloss, just getting a very little amount on here. I like to get a single drop of water on the toe, and then just kind of buffing, smoothing out those layers that we added. And again, I'm just using neutral for this whole process. And already, I think you can see, you know, it's adding quite a nice shine to that toe. So this is the nice thing when there's already been some layers of polish added before you unbox it. So it's already got a little bit of a base to it. And then it only takes a few more layers on top of that to really bring out that shine. Now you don't want to carry the shine too far up the vamp. I don't know where it's going to crease, so I'm really trying to keep it isolated to just the toe tip. And of course this is completely unnecessary. You could wear them right out of the box. That would be fine, but I really like to add that shine first thing to showcase the shoes a little bit more, because I'm going to be getting photos of them. But that's the way I like to wear them anyway. Alright, so we'll kind of pick up here in a minute after I do a little bit more buffing, but that one's looking really good already. Alright, so got these polished up, a little shine on them, and again, these are Peter Hunt shoes. This is the Monet model Chelsea boot in their Fire Patina. Absolutely beautiful. Made in Spain, Goodyear welted in Spain. They actually use Italian crust leather, but they are produced in Spain, and the cost on these is $3.79. So I think a very reasonable cost for a Patina Goodyear welted shoe like this. Absolutely beautiful, very impressive shoes. I don't see any kind of flaws or defects on them. Love this kind of unique sole on them. So definitely a brand to check out. My second pair from them. I've been impressed with both. I think they're worth checking out. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and shine, and I'll see you on the next one.